Hi everybody in YouTube land. I decided I would review my camcorder, my current camcorder. I think it's a pretty old one by now. Bought it in 2002 and it's a Samsung. It's the VP W70U PAL 8mm camcorder. It uses, if you can see that, uses tapes, and I'll just demonstrate. It uses this battery, stick it in, and I'll show you the tapes. Oh yeah, it's a bit broken actually. You've got to do it by hand. Uses these Fuji or any type, I guess, 8mm tapes. I've had a lot of fun with this camera over the years, filming various things, and the lens cap. It's got optical zoom, 22 times optical zoom, digital zoom, 22 optical zoom, 880 times digital zoom. A very good camera in my opinion. It's got a fade icon, a fade, what do you call it, button, black. I don't know, I actually don't know what that is. Another one and another one. I don't know every button, but as I say, it's a very good camera, a bit old and dated. And what else can I say about it? At the time it was expensive, over 300, I think it was over 300 quid when I bought it 10 years ago, but as I say, I have had a lot of fun out of it. Just do that in. So there you go. Cheers. See you.